Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak English Easily. I'm John.
And I'm Lisa. So happy you're here today.
Lisa, today's episode is a little different.
Oh, yes, I'm excited about this one. Tell them what we're doing today.
Today, we're giving you 50 real English sentences. Sentences that people use every single day, at home.
Not in an office, not in a business meeting, not in a formal situation.
Just at home. Waking up in the morning, making breakfast, talking to your family, doing chores around the house.
These are the sentences that textbooks never teach you, but native speakers use them every single day without even thinking.
And here's what makes today special. We are not just going to list these sentences. We are going to use them naturally in conversation, so you hear how they actually sound in real life.
Because hearing a sentence in context is so much more powerful than reading it on a page.
Exactly. So get comfortable, maybe grab a coffee,
Or tea, no judgment.
and let's get into it. 50 sentences used at home, starting now.
Okay, John, let's start with the morning, because mornings at home are real.
Very real. Sometimes chaotic.
Right, so what's the first thing someone might say when they wake up in the morning?
Well, the very first thing many people say is, "Time to get up."
Oh, yes, simple, direct. Or sometimes, I don't want to get up.
Very honest. And then maybe someone in the family says, "Come on, you'll be late."
That one takes me right back to being a child. My mom said that every single morning.
Classic. So we already have 3 sentences. Time to get up. I don't want to get up. Come on, you'll be late.
And listeners, say those 3 sentences out loud right now. Don't just listen, say them. Pause 3 seconds.
Good. Now, you're up. You're in the bathroom. What do you hear next?
Maybe the shower is free.
Or, don't use all the hot water.
Every family in the world says that one.
Every single one. And then maybe, breakfast is ready.
Oh, that's a good one. Or the question version, what do you want for breakfast?
And the very common answer, I'm not hungry yet.
Or just coffee for me, please.
So let's count. We now have 9 sentences just from the morning routine. Time to get up. I don't want to get up. Come on, you'll be late. The shower is free. Don't use all the hot water. Breakfast is ready. What do you want for breakfast? I'm not hungry yet. Just coffee for me, please.
Listeners, pause right here if you want. Go back and repeat those 9 sentences out loud. Really say them. Use your voice. Pause 4 seconds.
And 2 more morning sentences before we move on.
Go ahead.
Have you seen my keys?
Oh, the most universal sentence in any home.
Every morning, in every country, in every language. Have you seen my keys?
And the answer is usually check the kitchen counter.
Always the kitchen counter. So that's 11 morning sentences total.
Okay, now let's move to the kitchen, because so much of home life happens in the kitchen.
So much. Let's start with cooking. When someone is making food, they might say, "Can you pass me the salt?"
Or, the water's boiling.
"Can you set the table, please?"
Oh, that's such a common one. Or, dinner will be ready in 10 minutes.
And the response might be, "I'll be right there."
Or the very honest, I'm starving.
I'm starving is used so much in English. It means I am very, very hungry. Not literally starving, just very hungry.
Good point. So, learners, I'm starving is completely normal and very casual to say at home. Now, you sit down to eat. What do people say? This smells amazing.
It tastes really good.
Did you make this yourself?
And a very polite one, "Can I have some more, please?"
Or the opposite, I'm full. I can't eat another bite.
After a big Sunday lunch, definitely.
And after the meal, who's doing the dishes tonight?
The question nobody wants to answer.
Exactly. Or, I'll wash, you dry.
Perfect teamwork.
Okay, listeners, let's count the kitchen sentences so far. Can you pass me the salt? The water's boiling. Can you set the table, please? Dinner will be ready in 10 minutes. I'll be right there. I'm starving. This smells amazing. It tastes really good. Did you make this yourself? Can I have some more, please? I'm full. I can't eat another bite. Who's doing the dishes tonight? I'll wash, you dry.
13 kitchen sentences. Say them out loud, listeners. All 13, right now. Okay, now let's talk about everyday family conversations. The things families say to each other at home, just naturally, casually.
These are my favorites, actually, because they are so simple, but so real.
Let's start with checking in on each other. How was your day?
The classic. And the answer? Not bad. Yours?
Or, it was really long, I'm tired.
What are you up to?
Meaning, what are you doing right now? Very casual, very common.
And the answer might be just watching TV.
Or, nothing much, just relaxing.
Can you turn that down, please?
When the TV is too loud.
Every home has that moment. Or, I need some quiet time.
Very important sentence, especially after a long day.
Now, what about when family members need something from each other?
Can you help me with this?
Give me a minute.
I'll do it later.
The classic response to any request.
Very classic. And then, you said that an hour ago.
Also very classic.
And some warmer family sentences. I made you some tea.
Oh, that one is so sweet.
Are you okay? You seem quiet.
Come sit with me for a bit.
I'm proud of you.
That one is so simple, but so powerful.
3 words and they mean everything.
Okay, let's count the family conversation sentences. How was your day? Not bad. Yours? It was really long. I'm tired. What are you up to? Just watching TV. Nothing much, just relaxing. Can you turn that down, please? I need some quiet time. Can you help me with this? Give me a minute. I'll do it later. You said that an hour ago. I made you some tea. Are you okay? You seem quiet. Come sit with me for a bit. I'm proud of you.
16 family sentences. Say them out loud, all 16.
Okay, last section. Cleaning and chores.
Nobody's favorite topic.
But everyone's reality.
Exactly. So, common chore sentences. Can you make your bed, please?
The house is a mess.
Let's tidy up a bit.
Can you take out the rubbish?
Or in American English, can you take out the trash?
Good point. Both are correct. Both are used at home every day.
I'll vacuum the living room.
The laundry is done.
Can you hang these up, please?
Don't forget to water the plants.
The bathroom needs cleaning.
The sentence no one wants to say or hear.
And I just mopped the floor, don't walk on it yet.
Oh, that one is so specific and so real.
Every home, every weekend.
And a positive one to finish. The house looks great.
After all that cleaning, you deserve to say it.
You really do. Okay, chore sentences count. Can you make your bed, please? The house is a mess. Let's tidy up a bit. Can you take out the rubbish? I'll vacuum the living room. The laundry is done. Can you hang these up, please? Don't forget to water the plants. The bathroom needs cleaning. I just mopped the floor, don't walk on it yet. The house looks great.
11 chore sentences. Say them out loud right now. Okay, let's do a quick final practice together. I'll say a situation, Lisa will say the sentence, then you repeat it out loud after Lisa.
Ready, listeners? Let's go.
Situation. You wake up and someone is still sleeping.
Time to get up.
Situation. You're cooking and need help.
Can you set the table, please?
Situation. The food is ready.
Dinner will be ready in 10 minutes.
Situation. You finished eating and you are very full.
I'm full. I can't eat another bite.
Situation. Someone comes home. You want to know about their day.
How was your day?
Situation. The living room is untidy.
Let's tidy up a bit.
Situation. You want to encourage someone you love.
I'm proud of you.
If you said those sentences out loud, you just practiced 7 real home sentences in context. That is exactly how language learning works.
Real sentences, real situations, real practice.